today we have a brand new Mustang and we're going to install some awesome audio into it. Stay tuned. Okay, so we have a table of goodies here and we've invited Sam from Dynamic Audio. Come over here, Sam. How are you?
Yeah, good
to see you. And now I understand that you have selected some equipment for this Mustang.
Yep.
I've also selected some old school equipment for this Mustang.
Right.
And we're going to see which one fits the best, I think.
Okay. Here we have some products from Rainbow. We have the Germanium 3-way fronts, Germanium 4-channel as well, and we'll probably use the matching mono for the substage, and the Helix DSP to integrate with the factory audio system.
So this is the interface between the factory head unit and everything you're putting in.
Exactly.
How many of these guys have you got?
At this stage, probably 2 or 3.
Right.
So I'd like to go full active on the front stage and then one for the sub stage as well.
Right, so there's no passive crossovers. We're going to run everything from the Helix?
From the Helix DSP, yeah.
Okay, and obviously what's missing here is some
subs.
Subwoofers, yeah?
Yep. So we're actually developing a system for the Mustang at the moment.
Right.
We're coming up with a few different sort of OEM fit, I guess, solutions to suit it. So we're just going through that at the moment and they'll soon be released.
I have to say, it's very nice, high-end equipment. Yeah?
I'm a little nervous. What's under that?
Yeah. I do have a genuine issue with this. Sincerely, I do.
Yeah.
I love this stuff is great. You know, I love Canton speakers, they're old school but German. But this is all a bit
clinical.
It's a bit antiseptic, you know. It like belongs in a hospital. It's awesome sound quality, but this is, look, man. This is American muscle right here, you know what I mean? Like, this needs a bit of freedom in it, you know? This is the archetypal hot rod of American muscle cars, you know?
Whilst that's true, that's actually got technology.
I absolutely agree with you. This would sound fantastic, but it won't sound like freedom. So I've got some old school stuff, some old school muscle, which I think we're going to have to put into this car.
Wow.
Hey? Look at that. Right. All right. Can I give you my system?
Sure.
What are you laughing for, man?
I'm just laughing at these awesome big waveguides.
Yeah, we're going to cut your dash up.
Yeah, no, that sounds like fun.
All right, look at these. These are Freedom subwoofers right here. Look, they've got American flag painted all over them. Earthquake. We've got 415 subs.
415s.
We're going to get rid of your boot. We're going to put them in an isobaric band pass and port it straight through the parcel shelf. We've got 4 Orion XTR 8MB mid-bass drivers, right, into your doors. Those subs are going to run off the Earthquake PhD amplifiers. We've got 2 of those. Now, front stage, set of USD waveguides. Right? Now, they don't need a lot of power, so I've decided to use a Linear Power 2502. That will tear your face off. They're going to drive the waveguides. We've got a Rockford Fosgate Punch 200AX to run the mid-bass drivers. Look, I'm keeping the theme American Rockford Fosgate, American Nakamichi, but right. And every car needs VU meters as far as I'm concerned, right? And then we go through a Phoenix Gold EQ.
There we go.
So that's my system, and I think it says America right there. So I think we are miles apart in our decision. So I think we're going to have Brooke make the decision, so it's impartial. Do you know what I mean?
That's fair.
You happy with that?
Yeah, we'll see.
All right, Brooke. Now you know, Brooke, you know which team to come for over here? The old school team?
Craig, I love your idea. I absolutely do love your idea, but think about it. You got old school in your Cube, in your Lincoln, in the Jeep. I think we need to change it a little bit.
Breaking me. Yep.
Just expand your horizon.
I like that idea.
Yeah, clearly.
Just be open to new ideas. I know it's an American muscle car. I know that, but just change it up a little bit.
All right. Over to you, Sam.
Done deal.
Looks like it's,
yeah.
Congratulations.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm going to give you a challenge.
Great.
I want to see it done in 10 days.
10 days?
10 days, mate, top to bottom. Can you do it?
That's a good question. I reckon it can be done.
10 days?
I reckon it can be done.
Shake on it.
Done.
All right. Stay tuned, everyone. The time starts now.